Hey everyone! If you've been struggling with your Astro A50 not showing up in the Astro Command Center on your PC, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through an easy, step-by-step fix that actually works so you can get back to gaming without any headaches. Stick around because we'll cover every essential step. First up, make sure you're downloading the correct Astro Command Center for Windows directly from Astro's official website, not the Microsoft Store. Install it following the on-screen prompts. This ensures you have the latest version, which is critical for proper headset detection. Next, verify your hardware and connection. Switch your A50 to PC mode and connect it via USB. If it's still not detected, try it on another computer. This helps rule out a faulty headset or cable. A quick test like this can save you a lot of frustration. Once that's done, it's time to update Windows and your drivers. Open Windows. Update, check for updates, and don't forget to look at optional updates, especially driver updates. You can also go into Device Manager, right-click your headset, and select Update Driver to search automatically. Keeping your system up to date ensures compatibility with ACC. If you're still having issues, uninstall and reinstall the Astro Command Center. Press Win+I, go to Settings Arrow Apps, find ACC, and uninstall it. Then, download a fresh installer from the website and install it again. A clean install often resolves hidden software glitches. Finally, update your headset firmware through ACC. Connect your A50, open the Command Center, click the gear icon, then the red Update button. Follow the prompts and your headset will be up to date and ready to go. And that's it. Following these steps will fix the Astro Command Center not detecting your A50. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.